Will you give up everything to follow Jesus? Tongan warrior Joeli Bulu did. He wanted to live with Jesus among the stars. Threats, beatings, hurricanes, and a savage creature would not change his mind. Joeli even visited cannibals to talk about Jesus. One night, cannibals set Joeli's friend's hut on fire. Joeli tells us what happened. Bound by terror, we stumbled into the woods, the roar of the fire at our backs. Behind us, the hut gasped, then folded in a heap of ash. Not a single curse fell from the missionaries' lips as they watched their possessions scattered in embers. Instead, one of them turned to me, his expression calm. Let the suffering be ours. Joeli had many close calls. Find out what happened to this warrior for Jesus and live among the stars. See you in our next breakout with a good book. God bless.